Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum salam, brother. How are you? Okay?
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. And you, brother, you are fine?
I'm okay. I am good, thank you. Just
MashaAllah.
got a bit of hay fever, but other than that, alhamdulillah, it's okay.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. Okay, brother. Are you ready? Should we start?
Yeah, we
Inshallah.
can start, inshallah, yes.
Okay. Inshallah. Today also we
Brother,
learn.
did you say? Yes, sorry, brother.
Yeah, today inshallah we learn from Nurani Qaida. And
Okay.
last week we learn, I think, 2, 3 pages. But today
Yes,
inshallah we learn new lesson. Inshallah. Okay.
inshallah. Brother, you sent the guide, right? Through WhatsApp.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have been sent to you by
I
WhatsApp.
don't know why it's not there. Strange. I don't know if it deletes messages. Inshallah, after this lesson, brother, can you please send it again?
Okay, okay. Don't worry, I will
Jazakallah.
send
Thank you,
you.
brother. Thank you, brother.
Inshallah. Okay. So today we have lesson, yes, a lesson number, yes, lesson number, this lesson number 7. Yeah.
Yes.
So remaining, we have like some lines. So today we learn, first of all, these lines.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you seeing, brother, clearly?
Yes, I can see yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Let's start, please, from this
Okay, this one
class.
again.
Let's start.
Okay, so that is so I'm just looking at okay. That is Ka,
Yeah, it's ra. Yeah, first ghain. Yeah, ghain fatha ra ba ra.
Ra, Ga ba ra, ha.
Yes, ghabaratun.
Oh yeah, Ga ba ra, Tun. Yeah, Ga ba ra, Tun.
Yes, excellent. Okay,
And
next.
next one is um Ka.
It is fa'ala.
Okay, yes, 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 sorry, I was looking at the wrong one. Fa'ala, yeah,
Yes,
Fa'ala.
excellent.
Next one is this is Ka, right?
Yes.
Ba.
No, it is qaf, qaf, first qaf.
Yeah,
It's
Ka.
qaf
Sorry, I said
letter.
Ka.
Yes.
Ka, Ka. Fa? First one?
Qataratun. Yes,
Kata is ta. Kataratan,
excellent.
kataratan.
Good.
Is ka as well? The next one, ka.
Yeah, next one we have qaf, ta, and lam. Qaf zamma qu, ta
So it's
kasri, lam fatha, la.
kati la.
Qutila, qutila.
Ko. So you pronounce it with ko, like ko. Okay,
Yes.
kotila. Okay, kotila. Ka. The next one is kaf. Ooh, which letter is this?
Yeah.
Ka. Sa.
No, first also we have qaf, dal, and ra.
Yeah. Okay, qadara.
Yes, qadara.
Qadara, Qadara.
Excellent, excellent, mashallah.
The next one is Qari, Ma? No,
Quri'a.
Qori, A.
Yes, quri'a.
Qori, A.
Yes,
Qori, A. Next one is Qasa, ooh, Qasa Man? No,
yeah. It is
Qasafan,
yes, qasamun.
Qasamun. I said mean, yeah, Qasamun, Mun.
Yeah.
Okay, the next one is, ooh, this one is, which letter is that? That's
No.
Ma?
First qaf, fa, ba, and dal.
Golf, I knew it. Yeah, okay, so it's Kaba, how would you pronounce this one?
Yes.
Din? Kaba Din?
Excellent, excellent.
Kaba
Kabadin.
Din. Kabadin.
Yes, kabadin.
Kabadin. Kabadin. So, brother, you know with the double, is it kasra at the bottom? Is that
Here
how do you
double,
pronounce
yeah,
it?
double
Deen, like
kasra.
that?
Yeah, on the bottom of dal we have double kasra.
So how do you pronounce it? Deen,
Yeah,
Deen.
kabadin, din.
Okay, so
Yeah,
Kabadin, Din, Din. Okay, Kabadin,
yeah,
Kabadin. Okay, can understand it. Next is Ko. The next one is Ko,
good.
Koto, Kota, 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 Kota,
Kutubun, kutubun.
Kutubun. That's two. Okay, with the you have to pronounce it two. Yes. Again, Kutubun,
Good,
Kutubun. Next one is Kasa, Kasaba,
excellent.
Kasaba. Next one, the next one, the third line is Kamera.
No, no, it's fa, not meme.
Oh, damn it. Okay, damn. Okay, sorry. So the thing at the bottom, yeah. Kafa, Kafara,
Excellent.
Kafara. Next one is Kufu. I
Kufuwan.
can get this. Kufu, Kufu one, because it's wow. Kufu one. Oh,
Excellent.
I nearly got it. Kufu one. Okay, I remember
Nice,
that.
good, mashallah.
That is O, O,
No, it is
Oba. No.
Lubadan.
Oba.
Lubadan.
Okay, to pronounce with the L. Yes. Lobo, okay, yes, Lobo,
Lubadan.
yeah,
Lubadan.
Lobadan.
Yes.
Is it L?
Yeah, it starts with,
Lobadan, right?
yeah, lam.
Lam, it's Lam, okay. Okay, that's Lu. Ooh, what is this letter? Lufa?
No, no, Lumazatin.
Ah, Luma, meme. Luma, yes, Luma Zatin, yes. Luma Zatin, Luma Zatin. And Luma Bun, Bean, Luma Bean,
Lumazatin. Yes.
yes, that's Luma Zatin. And the next one is no, Lama,
Lahabin.
Laha, okay, Laha bin,
Yes.
Laha bin, okay, okay, the next one is meme, that's meme, right? So
Yes. Masa.
Masa, not bin, that's not Masa bin, oh, this letter, no, Maba sin,
No, no, it's Masadin. Masadin. Yeah. Meme,
sorry,
sin.
Masa, yeah, Masa din, sorry,
Yeah.
yeah, sin, so it's Masa din, Masa din, okay, Masa din, and the next one is, oh, that's not meme again, no,
It is Nakhiratan.
that's noon.
Yeah.
Okay, Nasaratin.
No, Nakhiratan. Tan. At the end we
Oh,
have
that's done. Okay, Nakhiratan.
excellent.
Nakhiratan. Nakhiratan. And the next one is is that a meme as well?
No, it's Wajada. Whoa.
Wow, okay. Wajada. 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 Okay. The next one is Wasa
Good.
Ka.
It is
Wasaka.
Wajada. Wajada.
That's wajada, yes. Wajada. Okay, wajada. And the next one is wasa, wasaka,
Excellent. MashaAllah. Wasaqa.
wasaka. Okay. And the next one is wakaba,
Yeah. It's Wakaba.
wakaba. Okay. Okay, that's not enough. The next one is wala, That's not the. That's not the. What's the letter is that? Wala.
Yeah, it is wala.
Wala. It's not ba. No, no, not the.
Yeah, it's walada.
Wala da. Da. Okay, dal. That's the. Okay. Wala da. Wala da.
Yeah,
Okay. The next one is Waha. Wahaba.
excellent. Yeah, it's wahaba. Next, mashallah, good.
Wahaba. And then the next one is Ho. Oh, what's that letter?
Humazatin.
Ho.
Yeah,
Oh, which letter is this? That's whoa. That's ho. Hoba. Who?
yeah,
Oh,
humazatin.
Humaza. I know that. Humazatin.
Yeah,
Humazatin.
next.
That's Hoba. Hub. No, that's
No, no.
Hubin.
Yeah, no, simple, simple. Like we skip the ya here. Just
Okay,
put that on dal and ha. Dal
so
on
that's
the dal. Yeah, yeah.
Hudin.
Hudan,
Hudin.
hudan, hudan, hudan.
Hudan. That's the two. Okay, two. Costas at the top is done. Okay,
Yeah, on the
Hudan.
top.
Hudan.
Yes, excellent, mashallah.
Hudan.
Excellent. Okay,
Okay.
so should we start next lesson?
Yes, inshallah. Yes.
Okay, next lesson we have, okay, yeah, standing fatha, standing kasra, and standing zamma. You know, also we
Okay.
learn
All
these.
right.
Yeah, this standing fatha. Like we
Okay.
stretch the voice, okay? Like
You have to
equal.
stretch